How you doing? Today we're in Metairie. We're doing a landscape renovation, some drainage upgrades, and also installing some beautiful Zoysia side. Let me let you take a look at what's going on here. This backyard had all overgrown shrubbery, had a really bad lawn. We removed everything. We redesigned the landscape, created some gardens along the fence, and created this nice garden along the back of the house. Ever-red loropetalums, camellias, some violas. And right now we're in the process, we just graded the entire yard with river sand. We installed the drainage system in the yard right in the middle to get the water out of here. When you have too much water in your yard, you create weed problems and your lawn is not healthy. Right now we're in the process of putting some peat moss down. Peat moss will lower the pH of the soil for the Zoysia. The Zoysia likes pH of around 6.0 to 6.5. We did a soil test and found that it was very high, so we're bringing it down with the peat moss, and we did add some granulated sulfur, the white stuff. So we'll go ahead and install the Zoysia in a little bit. Just want to give you a little heads up of what's going on. Everything's coming out good. If you need your landscape renovation done properly and you want a nice lawn installed, give Clean Cut Landscape a call, 504-415-1438, or visit us at cclanddesign.com. Thank you.